When it comes to enhancing the appearance, comfort, and energy efficiency of your home, window installation is one of the most important improvements you can make. Whether you're building a new home or replacing outdated windows, opting for professional residential window installation in Washington offers a wide range of benefits. While DIY projects may seem tempting, investing in professional installation ensures that the job is done correctly, efficiently, and safely, ultimately providing long-term value for your home. In this article, we'll explore why professional window installation is worth the investment for homeowners in Washington, focusing on the benefits of expertise, energy efficiency, safety, and increased home value. Expertise and proper installation. One of the most significant reasons to choose professional window installation is the expertise that comes with it. Professional window installers have the knowledge, experience, and tools to ensure your windows are installed correctly the first time. Proper installation is crucial for maximizing the performance, longevity, and efficiency of your windows. Precise measurement and fit. Professional installers take accurate measurements of your window openings to ensure a perfect fit. Even small discrepancies in measurements can lead to poor window performance, such as drafts or water leaks. Sealing and insulation. A major factor in energy efficiency is proper sealing around the window frame. Professionals use high-quality sealants and weather stripping to ensure that your windows are airtight, preventing energy loss and protecting your home from the elements. Investing in professional installation guarantees that your windows are properly sealed and fit, providing maximum efficiency and minimizing long-term issues. Improved energy efficiency. One of the top reasons for replacing windows is to improve energy efficiency. Washington, D.C.'s climate can vary greatly, with hot summers and cold winters, which means that energy efficiency is crucial year-round. Professional window installation ensures that your new windows provide optimal insulation, reducing heating and cooling costs. Energy-efficient windows. Modern windows are designed with advanced energy-efficient features such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and argon gas fill to reduce heat transfer. When installed correctly, these windows can significantly lower your home's energy consumption by keeping conditioned air inside and blocking out heat in the summer and cold in the winter. Lower utility bills. Proper installation of energy-efficient windows leads to lower energy bills because your heating and cooling systems won't have to work as hard. These savings add up over time, making professional installation a worthwhile investment. A professionally installed, energy-efficient window system will help keep your home comfortable while reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Increased home security. Old or poorly installed windows can compromise the security of your home. In Washington, where both weather and security concerns are a priority, it's essential to ensure that your windows are not only energy efficient but also secure. Stronger materials and locks. Professional window installation involves the use of high-quality, durable materials such as impact-resistant glass or reinforced frames. These windows are much harder to break, offering increased protection for your family. Additionally, Professional installers will ensure that your windows are fitted with secure, multi-point locking systems that provide added peace of mind. Proper sealing. A window that isn't installed properly can be an easy point of entry for burglars. Professionals use top-notch techniques to ensure the windows are not only sealed to prevent drafts but also secure against unauthorized access. By choosing professional installation, you ensure that your home's windows are secure, offering enhanced protection against break-ins in extreme weather conditions. Long-term savings and durability. While the upfront cost of professional window installation might seem higher compared to DIY alternatives, it's important to consider the long-term benefits. Properly installed windows require fewer repairs, provide better performance, and last longer, ultimately saving you money in the future. Fewer repairs. Improper installation can lead to issues like drafts, water leaks, or even rotting frames. These issues may require expensive repairs or replacements down the road. Professional installation eliminates these risks, ensuring that your windows last for many years without requiring costly fixes. Durable materials. Professional window installers work with high-quality, durable materials that are built to last. Whether you choose vinyl, fiberglass, or wood windows, these materials are designed to stand up to the elements, ensuring your investment pays off over time. By choosing professional window installation, you're investing in long-term durability, minimizing future repair costs and maximizing the life of your windows. Enhanced home value. Upgrading your windows is one of the best ways to increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers in Washington are more likely to be attracted to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows that promise long-term savings and comfort. Curb appeal. New windows can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal. Whether you go for traditional double-hung windows or sleek casement windows, your home will look more modern and inviting from the outside. Curb appeal plays a huge role in the first impression of your home, which is important when selling. Increased market value. Homes with new, professionally installed windows tend to sell faster and for more money. Buyers appreciate the benefits of new windows, including energy savings, enhanced security, and reduced maintenance costs. This means that investing in professional installation could yield a high return on investment when it comes time to sell your home. Peace of mind. Finally, choosing professional window installation gives you peace of mind knowing that the job is being done correctly, safely, and in compliance with local codes. A professional installer will also handle all necessary permits, ensuring that your windows meet all building and safety regulations. Warranty protection. Many professional window installation companies offer warranties on both the windows and the installation itself. If anything goes wrong with the windows or the installation, you can rest easy knowing that the issue will be addressed promptly at no extra cost. Conclusion. Professional residential window installation in Washington offers numerous benefits that go beyond just a new look for your home. From enhanced energy efficiency and security to long-term savings and increased home value, professionally installed windows provide lasting benefits that DIY installation simply save on utility bills, improve your home's comfort, or increase its market value, choosing professional installation is an investment that pays off in the long run. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, hiring an expert ensures that you'll enjoy the full advantages of this important home improvement.